Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's work some more. It's in a balance right now, so we don't need a close manipulation signal to what? To trade it. It's crazy. I think there is a level. I think there is a T2 there. That would just work, but like one bar reversal. I would never, ever in my sanity take this trade. And volume distribution, like this volume distribution is not good. KHC just can't stop. Interesting volume. Yeah, same level. I needed to break me even. That's all I want. Salmon Blue Coil. I had to close like most of the 1/3 of the position somewhere around here for a small loss. Mm, but I'll keep the rest. And that's, by the way, would have broken me even. Intel. Oh, interesting. Look at that. Didn't close into spring. That's actually, there's no T2 here. Yeah, it's just the way it is. Huh. Huh. I don't think it's a good level. Volume is alright, but drop is quite dramatic. But the drop is quite dramatic. Yeah, it's not like a weakness. It's a drop. We'll see tomorrow. It's just crazy. See, I was right about shorting of thrust. They also call it like evening star reversal, right? Or is it morning star reversal? Which one is which? Let's look. Evening star reversal. It's evening. And morning star is okay. They call it evening star reversal in some cultures. Yes, it didn't go as it should have not and changed direction. So good job not taking the straight. This always kind of sexy and all. We wanted a test here. And like I would need a test anyways because not only for configuration of the spring, but also it's not the biggest volume. So test for sure. That bounced. Hmm. Interesting. Mm, what the heck? Yeah, it looked like it will bump the next morning on Monday. And we didn't need a close manipulation signal. And there was nothing here to suggest. Hmm. United Health is holding up. I don't think it's for long. I don't think it's gonna last long. Hmm. Can break above. Look at this. And we're above the biggest volume of the downtrend and everything looks bright, but I'm still paranoid. Still paranoid. Oops, how did that happen? Unvolumed spring, and therefore I should not be doing anything on the smaller time frame just because it's a it's unvolumed spring. This thing bounced. Just went in there. UPS. Such an interesting place. Such a beautiful volume. And it didn't go anywhere. Looks like it will just jump out of here. And see what it does. See what it does to us. I can believe. You see, tick by tick. I just can't believe. Otherwise, it's a perfect volume. And it's not like too big for the entire. Yeah. Hmm. That's an interesting volume. That's a sign of strengths at the very least, if not the support bar. Technically, support bar is here, but everything was so last hour of the week here, so maybe that. But no, no, never mind. It's sign of strength. It's sign of strength. And it came here like, ooh. And it's earnings tomorrow, so it will be all over the place tomorrow. The bottleneck of our Roman strategy that I use is the setup, the specific setup I'm looking for at the inferior time frame. Like here, look at it. I was like, just buy it. Don't you see? It's just, I don't care. It's gonna go down. It's day level. A lot of times it works. Also, a lot of time it doesn't. It's too big of a volume, I think, personally, if you ask me. Not too big. What, just buy it like this? No, it's not in the right time on monthly. That makes no sense. This whole thing. To me, maybe you guys are watching giggling at me for not being able to read the clear signs that the charts shows us. Look at this bicycle. We're above it. It's supposed to go. So even it was a test. I know, isn't it crazy though to take it like this? It's below the within the daily range. Oh yeah. And look where we are at on monthly. You look like you're ready to drop. Strengths and weakness. It took us like one bar to get in here, really, even if two, and then one, two, three, four. Twice as long to get up there. I don't think so. This thing. What the heck is this? Okay. This is done. We are done here. Next step is this. What a... Maybe there is no level here. Why do I think there is? There's no level here. Yeah, I think it's more so the situation. Oops. There is room to go on the year. Has room to go. And same on monthly, just volume distribution is not there. Volume distribution is not long. After this volume, it's no bueno. But there is room definitely to go. What a powerful volume. Dung. Okay. It still holds the direction, but I don't think it's for long. Boom. Same deal. Still holds the direction, but I don't think it's for long. Think we'll see some powerful movements soon. The heck? goes lower. And it's good for short. Dun, dun, dun. Now. Good for short. Immediately. Boom. Yeah, nothing holds. Nothing holds in the Russian market. It looks, woo. And I'll show you. If this thing doesn't hold this level, then most likely it's not going to hold this level. Then we're looking here, and that's going to get nasty. You see this triangle? Probably everyone can see this. Triangle. Everything's the January. Everything's the 2008 crash. It was contracting this triangle. Bro, Russia is at the crossroads. Big time. Big time. Interesting. Interesting. Hmm. Goldman Sachs. This volume is too big for a spring on correction. It's earnings. We get it. And we were way past our rotation point. Yeah. I feel like we'll see some movements rather sooner than later. It's also like arbitrary whether there is a level or not. I prefer to see it as levels. And they do look like levels, but I'm not sure about them. Too tight. Boom. This thing is going short. This thing is going short. Hmm. This was on volumed up thrust. I would need a test, and that was unvolumed. No, that was volumed, but didn't give us a test as well. Just went down. Two trades I didn't take. GM. Like, bro, what is this? Everything in me like screams just like, buy put here. You know what I mean? Buy put here. 7.5. It's crazy. Mm. This is our daily watches. This was just falling nonstop. Yeah, that was the original transition extremum. What is extremum instead of extremum? Did you notice that this Leo like speaks like that a lot? Like, what do you call when people do this like hissing sound instead of like clear S? Ship, 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 ship. I think he does it a lot. And it gives him some charm. They're like equal, so we can try both. Just doesn't make this one is too high if it comes to it. But that worked perfectly fine. There's no contact on them. Oh, sorry, on monthly. And then hourly. Boom. But an hourly nothing. Down and down. Okay, so this is short. Wrong again. This volume is like too big for a correction of this movement. And then when it comes there a second time, I don't think so. I don't think so. That's some volume. Not much, but something. Once again, here just like buy me. But what if it doesn't go? Yeah, this guy's up to something. It would be interesting to watch how that situation on DO. And what is the other one? Is it UPS? I think it's UPS. How it resolves. Yeah, it looks like this guy finally found the level for automatic rally. You know what I mean? Once again, I'm just sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands. Because you can easily like tun, 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 tun. This is a seller. You've got a very distinctive seller. Uh sorry. This is like buyers closing positions. And look how much it's been open here. Buyers, buyers, buyers were buying. So we can say that someone dumped a bunch of stock, but we need to see sellers to come in order to do anything. We need to see the strength and weakness. And once we can identify both, then we can act. It's a little bit above um, 0.5 on the volume again. You're saying me that's like correction volume of this wave? Doesn't look like short is normally more like aggressive, faster, whatnot. Oof. But the break is good. Look at this break. Walmart. Just look where it is. Far beyond its levels. Look what Walmart did from 74, from half a cent. Walmart to 23. Well, in 25 years. So. And I think we like, it's a distinct like survival bias. Like watching all the stock of the companies that made it. It was coming out of a penny stock. How many of them just disappeared, don't exist anymore. Bank of America. Too high relative to the day level. It's like way, way too high. Oh, it's not good for like an hourly watch. It's good for a daily watch. This guy's right there. What a mess. This MetLife. I did industrial for them, you know that. I told it 100,000 millions times. No test, just go. It's right there in GHI. Very what? Well, what's going on here? Or why is it not? Yeah, it's on my hourly watch. For sure. Boom. Yeah. It's an interesting time. Like, what do you do with this? What do you make of it? Like, yeah, what is this? It's a mess. It's right there. What do you make of it? You can say it's a balance. Something like this. But on monthly, suddenly did it like unvolume top thrust and didn't go, and like this is too wide. What the heck? What the heck is this? Down, down, up and down, and moving all around. Put your hands, and clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. A little bit, what the heck? So, you've seen from here, went down, down, then down. You guys think I'm crazy? I think so too sometimes. Yeah, and from here it went pretty much nowhere. Yeah, no, that changed direction here. Yeah, so it's legitimate level, but it's okay, okay. I'm putting it on the hourly watch. It's crazy. You drive me crazy. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Unvolumed. No, that's like volumed. That's the last hour. So weird stock. You're doing some weird stuff. Why do I have to be a part of it? Doesn't do me any good. Okay. Um, okay, we're putting here on the, and again, like I have so many hourly watches. I need to learn to moderate them. How is that? Anyway, we lost any direction here, right? Think so. Well, this is still higher by a tick. So maybe we don't need to be so. The heck was going on here? Oh, yo, and okay, let's leave it just alone. I'll deal with it tomorrow. This is crazy. Um, on utilities. Boom. Just breaks powerfully. Pepsi just says bye bye in point 0.5. Can't think it's good for anything. Technically, it's good for short, but I don't really think so. That's a break. That's a sign of strength. And that's a current 0.5 for a swing trade. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so that was a level. And where's our sign of strength was here, so yeah, nothing. Hmm. This thing collapsed. It's unvolumed. Spring. Unvolume spring is never good. Gosh. Yeah. Okay, we got the local extremum. Transition extremum and local extremum. Now we need to see where the price will want to go. Yeah, this whole thing. Here in 0.5. Why are they like all almost identical? That's thing that didn't hold. It's at the level. Don't think it's gonna last. Let's keep an eye on it. Oof. Hmm. There's actually two levels to check. This is a resistance level, also break under ice bar, a little bit above 0.5, but way more like trustworthy. And that's our sign of strength, or shall we call it sign of weakness. A little bit before 0.5, but also, and it's an official correction now. Oh, interesting. The levels would coincide. But it doesn't make any sense because then the direction of the inferior time frame would contradict the direction of the superior time frame. This is down, and this is up. It's in correction, so what's wrong with this guy? I don't think we'll buy from here. What's this? Why am I looking at it? What's this? Hmm. Um, this was not a one bar rule. It was a legitimate T1. Now we have this. Where are we going with all of that? Ooh. Sorry, I'm yawning. It's getting late. It's about my meditation time. It's about my meditation time. This level coincided, so that was an entry, but just going beyond the A level at this point, I don't think it's reasonable. And wait. Hold a second. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, yeah, right. That was an up thrust that was immediately re-up thrusted. So yeah, that was a good place to consider short. I think I'm tired. Enough. Still cripples down slowly, slowly. What a mess. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, this list is endless. I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow.